Welcome back to product creation. We are now in the pricing section of the product creation screen. And what you're going to notice here is that you can determine what kind of product you are going to be selling. The default setting is to have a single payment buy now product. However, you do have a drop-down menu where you can select different kinds of products. So for example, one thing that you can do is you can set up a subscription product. When you set up the subscription product, you're going to see other options available to you. Regular pricing is for disclosure and for marketing purposes. You're typically going to have the highest version of the price in your regular price area. The sale price dialog is for you to indicate what the purchase price will be for the person who is going to be buying. If you only want a certain number of individuals to be able to make purchases, you can indicate that by limiting the sales. This is going to be something that you can come back and edit so that when you hit your sales limit, you can always come back and raise the limit. Now, for the sake of this video, and since it is optional, we're not going to write something in to the limit sales. Now, when you are setting up a subscription product, you can determine how often you want the recurring payment to be charged to your customer. So for example, you're going to see that you can determine days, month, or year for your customer to be charged. So what you can do is you can make it so that your customer is going to be charged once every month, or you can make it so that they are charged once every 30 days. You can also make for an annual payment. Now, when you are setting up a subscription product, you can determine that the subscription will be indefinite, or you can make it so that it will be limited to a certain number of payments before the customer has completed their payment cycles. You can make it so that the customer is going to receive a billing notification. So for example, you can make sure that the customer knows they're going to be charged before their subscription payment hits their account. And so you can toggle this billing notification on. In the case of a subscription product, what you can do is you can set up trial pricing. So for example, you can determine that trial period based on days, month, or years where you determine how long the trial period is going to be. You can also give the specific trial price for that period of time. Then we're going to stop the video here and we're going to look at the other forms of pricing. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.